Sanjay Saldi has studied automation and how retailers and manufacturers from the home improvement and garden center industry can profit from it. Breaking news: I will summarize the main findings in just less than 2 minutes. Streamlining processes. Automation can help retailers and manufacturers streamline their operations, reducing manual labor and increasing efficiency. This can lead to lower costs, faster production times, and improved overall performance. Improved accuracy. Automated systems can significantly reduce the risk of human error, ensuring that processes are completed accurately and consistently. This can lead to improved quality control, reduced waste, and increased customer satisfaction. Increased speed. Automated systems can work faster than manual processes, allowing companies to complete tasks and fulfill orders more quickly. This can improve delivery, reduce customer wait times, and increase productivity. Cost savings. By reducing the need for manual labor and increasing efficiency, automation can help companies save money on labor costs and improve their bottom line. Scalability. Automated systems can be scaled up or down as needed to meet changes in demand, allowing companies to respond quickly to market trends and fluctuations. Better data management. Automated systems can help companies collect, store, and analyze large amounts of data, providing valuable insights into customer behavior, market trends, and operational performance. Improved safety. Automated systems can perform dangerous or repetitive tasks, reducing the risk of employee injury and improving workplace safety. 24/7 availability. Automated systems can operate around the clock, allowing companies to meet customer demand and maximize productivity. Flexibility. Automated systems can be programmed and reconfigured to handle new tasks or changing requirements, making them more adaptable and versatile than manual processes. Enhanced customer experience. Automated systems can improve the customer experience by providing faster and more personalized service, reducing wait times, and ensuring that products are available when needed. This can lead to increased customer satisfaction, loyalty, and repeat business. You can find more on Sanjay Saldi's website, saldi.org.